Hey guys, it is me Obed, and today I will tell you how you can build a voice AI agent which can take the orders for a restaurant and then post it correctly in the POS system, whatever they are using. In this scenario, we will use the KwickPOS and we will use VAPI as to build our voice AI agent, and then we will have the Google Cloud also, which will process our function and will be a connector between our POS and the VAPI agent. So that will be the today's video. First I will do a demo because I have already made the setup, it is already live. So I will just do a demo and then we will take it from there, and then I will tell you how you can replicate and do it for your restaurant if you have one, or maybe you can sell it as a service, right? So yes, let's do a demo. First we can see here we have a couple of orders already: dine in, pickup, delivery. So if we see one of the order, it shows something like this, uh, like the total, then tax and all of that. So now what I will do, I will just talk to my agent, place a new order, and then we will see if it comes here or not. Okay. Yeah, let me talk to the agent.
Thank you for calling Taj of India. How may I help you today?
Hey, actually I want to place an order.
Great. You'd like to place a to go order. Do you know what you'd like to order, or would you like me to read some of our menu options?
Yeah, I would like to order one sweet lassi and one mango lassi.
Perfect. One mango lassi. Got it. Can I have your name, please?
Hey, I said
And
one sweet lassi and one mango lassi.
thank you for clarifying. So that's one sweet lassi and one mango lassi. Got it. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Sam Altman.
Thank you, Sam Altman. And may I have your phone number, please?
Yeah, my phone number is +92 348 4122 900.
Thank you for providing your phone number +92 348 1290. When would you like to pick up your order? Just a heads up that we are currently closed, but I'll save your order and it will be ready when we open next. Would you like it ready for tomorrow's lunch or dinner?
Yeah, do it for lunch.
Sorry, a few more seconds.
Yeah, I said do it for lunch.
Sorry, a few more seconds. Thank you, Sam. I've saved your order for one sweet lassi and one mango lassi for lunch tomorrow. Your total is $9.98. You can pick up your
Okay,
order at
thank
8.
you, thank you. Bye bye. So it said it took my order and placed it in my POS. We will just see in a second. And uh, and let me tell you why it was like voice was not very much recognizable. But if you connect a phone number and then call it from your phone number, then obviously it will be more crisp voice, right? Here the same microphone is being used for the recording and the same is being used for the uh, assistant as well. And obviously the noise cancellation on the browser is very much less effective than it is on the phone number. So make sure you test it also on the phone number. I just wanted to show you, so I did it on this browser testing. Now let us go to this KwickPOS. I will hit reload here and we should be able to see our order here. Okay. Yeah, wait. Then we go here. Okay, yes, Sam Altman. Yes. And it said to me like your subtotal is 998. So yeah, that's looking good. And one sweet lassi, one mango lassi. So it can take multiple items. Obviously, you will not order like one item. So it should be able, right? So and tax is also you define, right? Or your restaurant define, so it will be according to that. It can be done in the POS settings as well, right? Now it goes into my paid section, because how I set it up is the services will work for only the existing patient who are like uh, ready with their card details in our system, and we can charge them. But yeah, you can have it like as an open order as well, where it will be unpaid. Then you have to do uh, charge your customer when they come, right? And all of the other settings like this, like we are closed, that is just in our prompt. That's how we do it. You will do it differently, obviously. And now for the items, I just have these items uh, like the lassi one only, sweet lassi and the mango lassi and masala lassi and whatever masala tea. uh, but you can have any items you would like, right? uh, so here you can see we are saying do not take any order which is not in our items, right? Now, you know, it's really easy to build an agent which is working as a demo, and you can call and you say I want one burger, one pizza, and it just register it in the Google sheet or whatever. But when you do it for the actual restaurant, you have to be very sure what is the item ID, what is the unit price, what is the quantity, everything matters, right? That goes into straight your POS, right? That's how the automation works there. They don't, look at a Google sheet and then like manually update the status or whatever. It's like a KFC, right? All the information of your order is on the screen. You have to just take a look, and it should be self explanatory, right? So that's why you have to be very sure what is the flow of your order taking and how it is going into your backend, which is the POS. So okay, now let's see how the system is built. I'm sure you already have pretty good knowledge or pretty good idea like how it is working, but I will now elaborate so that you can do it easily for yourself. So first you have to create a VAPI voice assistant. It's just really easy. Just create a blank one. Select any model, anything you like, and then you will just write your prompt. I do have prompt templates which works really well. uh, Obviously I can't show all of the things here uh, in the system prompt, because there are personal things of the restaurant also. uh, but so you can get that like prompt template and all of that from the description. There will be a link about that for the project source code or something like that, or maybe you can join my school community. It's up to you. Now, after you write your prompt, you have to create a tool which will take your order. Now, here comes the game. So, go to tools section in VAPI, create a new tool. I have this take order tool, and this will be called when you, that means AI, my VAPI agent, want to take the order or note down their catering request. Now what it takes the name of the customer, then it takes the order items, and then it takes the phone number, and it posts all of that, or it sends all of that to this URL, which is my Google Cloud Run service. Here you can see I have this Danish AI service, which is exactly this URL. So if I just open this, I will see my this URL also. Okay, so this URL will receive the, or this endpoint will receive all of the data, and then it will post that data into our POS using their APIs, right? So create order in Quick is a function which will take all of these uh, parameters or the arguments. uh, Now here also I can't show you the exact stuff, because you see right here is the API credentials, which I don't obviously want to show. So you just take these and then post it into any POS you are using, like KwickPOS here. There are many famous POS. I think one of them is Clover. Yeah. So this one is really advanced, and you know, so mostly it goes like restaurant are already using a service, so they would not like to switch. But if you are a restaurant, then it's in your hands, right? Go with, the best solution you can see, uh, which can be integrated with a voice AI agent, rather than the interface, right? So it has to be integratable. Okay, so yeah, I guess that is pretty much it, right? You create a bot, you create a function, you attach them somehow so that it can take some information and then post it through that function to a CRM or a POS, right? That's what you do, right? Okay, now you can join my school community here, and we will do a lot of things together. So just go to link, and then you will be able to basically post all of your doubts, everything here in the discussion section, and I will answer you myself, so that we can have this connection, right? Or you can comment on the YouTube video as well. Otherwise, if you are working on a custom project, you can reach out to the email or the WhatsApp. If you want something urgent, then you can do, and we can have a discussion on how we can build things together. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care. I will meet you in the next video for sure.